If you want to work on a more defined jawline and even reduce puffiness in your face, it actually starts in your neck area and lymphatic drainage. So one of the best ways to do your own lymphatic drainage is using a Gua Sha device. Now there are many out there. This one was just sent to me, and this one's so cool because it also has EMS and red and blue light therapy. It has a thermal mode, it has a cooling mode. Check this out. It even looks like super futuristic and has its own little stand that it all sits on. So you just charge it up, comes with the charger. I've already done that, so we're ready to start with it. And one of the things that I hear the most from some of my videos is, you went down your neck. What are you doing? Anti-aging, you only go up. You're gonna cause wrinkles. Well, actually, that is not true. Going down your neck is one of the ways to do lymphatic drainage correctly. So there are different ways to do it. We have areas here in the neck. So again, like on your jawline, and then down the sides of your neck. And you do wanna go down. Down is how it's going to drain, but you don't want to tug your skin. It's really gentle. So we're going to use this. We're going to start with our neck because our neck can even help with puffiness in our cheeks and everything. And then we'll also do the face mode, and we'll do all the different modes. Okay, so ready to begin? It does come with the gel. This is the hydrating conductive gel. You're going to use this for the face and the neck modes. And then for the thermal or the cooling, you can use your own serum if you want. Let's start with the neck area. So you are going to avoid the thyroid area with this particular device. It says all this information in the directions as well. So I'm not going to do the very center of my neck. And then we're going to turn it on right here. And then you can choose the mode you want. So face is selected. We're going to move it down to neck right there. And then we can start at level 1. There's level 2 and there's level 3. I always recommend start at level 1, see how you tolerate it. It has that really pretty purple light. And right now, I'm just going along this area. You can do this once or twice a day, and it just takes minutes. Right now it's vibrating, so it feels nice. And now I'm gonna go down the side of my neck. You can go up as well. But you want to go ahead and get the lymphatic drainage by pushing everything down the sides. You can also do this little collarbone above area. Okay, let's move on to face mode next. So I'm going to hit stop for a second, put on the conductive gel on my face, and I'll give you a demo of how to do that. So right now my face is clean, no makeup. And what I'm going to do is actually show you just one side first. So even though I just put the gel all over my forehead, we're just gonna do this side of my face. Gives you a little quick tip guide as well. And it's basically saying you wanna make sure you have full contact. If you're just doing part of it, you're not gonna get the full benefit of this. So let's go ahead and hit the face mode, which is what it defaults to. Again, we start at level 1. This has that red light now. And we are gonna go up and out. Has a nice vibration to it, has little EMS, which is like, you'll feel like a tiny little shock depending on what level you have it on and what you are used to. That helps really firm everything up in your face. Also helps boost the collagen with the red light. So I love how this is a 7-in-1 tool. Can replace a lot of your skincare routine. Oops, I accidentally hit it to thermal cool. Okay, let's try tapping it up to level 2. There we go. Let's check out the face, see what side is looking more defined. Now you can definitely see more blood flow on this side from using it for just a few minutes. And it looks a little less puffy on this side as well. So we'll take that as a huge win. And again, I've only been doing it for just a few minutes on the neck area and the face area. You can go much longer as well, but this is really helping kind of pull everything back, which I love. Okay, let's try the thermal. The thermal mode, you can use any serum you want. So I'm gonna follow up with a capsule cream right now. I'm gonna pop it on here. And what this is gonna do is really help your skin to absorb the skincare you're putting on it. So you're getting that red light, you're getting the vibration, and you're getting a heat mode. It feels so nice. Very soothing. So you can do the thermal and the cool mode after you have done your face and your neck. And let's switch over to the cool mode. So we have our blue light, we have our air coming through right here at the little vents. And wow, it went from warm to this beautiful icy cold feeling in seconds. And if your skin feels a little bit irritated, or just as you're getting used to EMS and red light vibration, sometimes your skin just needs a nice little soothing break. And this cool mode feels so good. So I love when you can follow up with a cool mode. It feels very relaxing and also helping with tightening and everything. This is vibrating and it's giving that beautiful icy cool feeling. You can do this whole routine in under 10 minutes a day. Again, you can do it up to twice a day, and you're gonna start seeing instant results, which is one of the coolest things, is that you can see a before and after right away. And the more you do it, the more long lasting your results are gonna be. I could do this all day. It feels so good. Okay, let's hit stop on that. And when you hit stop, the fan is still gonna be going on. That's fine, it's doing its thing. And let's take a look at my face. So before it looked tighter, you can see so much of that inflammation is gone on this side. Wow, that just made such a difference. So way less puffy on this side of my face, and the skincare has been nicely absorbed as well. Again, I did the full neck for the lymphatic drainage. I'm so impressed with this. I absolutely love it. It's nice and sleek. It's not going to take up a ton of space. It's bringing home clinic experience to you, so you don't have to spend thousands at a med spa. You can get this device and do it at home yourself. So the results speak for themselves. This is one time using it, under 10 minutes. I'm super impressed by this. I think you're gonna love it as well. And I've linked an affiliate link in the comments and in the description for you. And I'm gonna leave you here with another video. Also buy this brand, and it's another tool that I absolutely adore.